Hey YouTube, what is going on? Brandon here with another printer video. Today we've got the Epson Workforce 2540. Basically, if you're having any issues with your print quality, if maybe a certain color just isn't printing out, or you're just having an overall print quality issue, this is a method I'm going to show you that is going to help you restore your print quality. Now, the first thing you're going to want to go ahead and do is you're going to want to go ahead and lift this up and go ahead and with the options, make sure you're saying that you're wanting to replace a cartridge so that the print head comes here to the middle. You're going to then remove the ink. Now, if you, for whatever reason, are running low on ink, and that's usually what causes this problem, stop the video now, go to the description below, because I'm going to have a link to new printer ink on Amazon.com, which is going to be very convenient for you to get there. And I would make this project here contingent upon you receiving this new ink. All right, so you've got the print head there, and those nozzles are what you are going to be cleaning. Okay, so next you're going to want to have a syringe just like this. I'm going to leave a link in the description below also for a syringe that is similar to this one. You're also going to have cleaning fluid, which at this moment I'm going to be using isopropyl alcohol. You're also going to want to have a paper towel just like this. You're going to go ahead and fold it up there a couple of times so that you can get it right under here. I'm going to put it right there. Just kind of stick it down in there, and then that should go right over it. You're going to want to also have a towel handy, like right there. Alright, so at this point, you're just going to go ahead and, it's a little difficult to see, I'm trying to give the best visual here, but you're going to go ahead and push through each nozzle. Now this one, it just broke loose, because sometimes it's a little difficult. It's really so dried up to the point where you almost can't get this fluid through, which it should be flowing very easily through here, but this one's been sitting for a while. So if you can kind of see what I'm doing, I'm holding the end of the nozzle there, and I'm kind of just pushing through. And you're going to want to come over here, wipe this down, get some more fluid, and of course when you're done with this, you're going to want to wipe this down. Now we've got a couple more nozzles. You got magenta here, which usually is the biggest problem. It runs out the quickest. But if you can see here, you see how I'm pushing down gently right on there. Now make sure to get that kit in the description below, because that's really going to help this whole process here. And you're going to have the right tools to go ahead and get this done, including the print head solution. But go ahead and follow these steps, what I'm showing you here. Now I'm going over to cyan. I'm hitting all of them because I'm having a general print quality issue. But if you just have a certain color that is giving you problems, you just hit that color all day long. You know, hit it multiple times so that it's completely cleaned out. Now I'm kind of applying some pressure here. Okay, so that's that. As you can see there's some cyan that shot back into the nozzle. So that is really it. That is all you really need to do. It's really that simple. I recommend anybody do this. Now, if for whatever reason this doesn't work for you, I'm going to go ahead and leave a link in the description below for this printer and maybe another printer that uses similar ink. But there's no reason why you shouldn't get this done. But if you have a problem along the way, now before you put your new ink in, you're going to want to make sure to wipe all this down with your towel. That's one thing you're really going to want to do. You don't want that to be wet in there. So that's basically it. If you have any questions at all, go ahead and comment below. Also, you know, there's a lot of resources in the description below. Just go ahead and take what you need to do the project, and you are going to save a lot of money that way. So make sure to like and also subscribe. Thanks for watching, and until next time.